Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to tag your Shopify products on Instagram, allowing you to drive sales directly from your posts. So let's get started. First of all, ensure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook business account. Go to your Instagram profile settings and then tap on account and select linked accounts to connect. You can do that on your phone or on your PC. Now after that, create Shopify products catalog. In your Shopify admin, now before you do that, you have to log into your account, and to do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, click on login and enter your account credentials and go to the main dashboard. Now in your Shopify admin, navigate to products and make sure your products are ready to be tagged. Click on products right here in the left sidebar. You'll need to have a Facebook products catalog set up through Facebook Business Manager. Now you can do this by the Facebook app. After that, the third step is to set up Instagram shopping. Go to your Facebook Business Manager and set up Instagram shopping. Now you're gonna do these steps in the app, so follow it verbally. I'll explain it to you and I'll guide you. Follow the prompts to connect your product catalog to your Instagram account. As for the fourth step, you have to enable product tagging. Once approved, go back to your Instagram account and enable product tagging in your account settings. You'll now be able to tag products in your posts and stories. Now for the fifth steps is to tag products in posts. Now when creating a normal Instagram post, select the tag products option and choose the products from your catalog to tag them in the photo. And that's it. You've successfully tagged Shopify products on Instagram. This feature can help increase your store's visibility and drive more sales. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.